What's up, guys? All right, so the move is officially over. That's right. So I have the tonneau cover here, or tonneau bed cover, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. I actually wanted to put it on, but I forgot I have to remove the mount there and put the original piece back on. I guess this is what it goes into. So just a quick little update in general. It's the month's over, so we are completely done being moved. This truck, it was a good time, to get the truck. Obviously, it really came in handy. It got a ton of use, more than I ever imagined I would ever actually use the truck. All the tie downs were fantastic. The D-rings were fantastic. Everything that's on the side. This bed cover was extremely helpful in just protecting my knees every time I'm climbing in and climbing out. Same thing with my wife if she got in here. Obviously, it got beat to crap. I kind of wish, I think here's a little gouge in that powder coat. Part of me wishes that I, put this in after the move, but it's 6 to 1, half a dozen the other, because if I put it in afterwards, it looked nice and pretty, but my knees would be, messed up from climbing in that corrugated material, right? So it served its purpose. It has war wounds. They're legitimate wounds, so it is what it is. I don't mind it being dirty. I mean, this is what trucks look like, right? I still love it, though. It being flat, I'm telling you, it is just like night and day. So super happy with all the upgrades for the move, and now the cover's going back on, so that's what I'm working on. So just want to give you an update. I'm curious if anyone who has Tacomas, or if you have, the Jeeps or any other vehicle that you use these other tie downs for, if you ended up getting them, what you think of them, please feel free to post it down in the comments. But I'm telling you, just really came in handy. It was perfect timing. So anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.